think this is the Hardin Ridge Nature Preserve parking lot, but there's no signage at all. I followed the cryptic directions on the website, and I believe I found the spot, I hope, or I made it out of a car when I come back, so yeah, so we'll see. Sweet. Right on. Now, this is what I was coming up here for. Hoping to find views like this. Thoughts on Hardin Ridge Nature Preserve, even though I've literally just scratched the surface of this place. There's another one, it's even larger, called Brock Sampson, I believe. All in the Knobs area, hills along the Ohio River on southern Indiana and Floyd County. right outside of New Albany, Indiana. The views are fantastic. I was finally able to hit up some high ground, to see some higher ground, and hit it up. And the views are fantastic. This, not, you know, not scenic or spectacular coming in here. But yeah, definitely going to come back. If you plan on coming, I would definitely do it in the winter months, fall, early spring, before the snakes are out, before the foliage comes out and covers up the views. Take some time to study maps, because I'm sure there's, you know, more information than what I found online. It's going to take you more than, you know, an hour and a half to explore this place. Definitely a whole day. Get tons of vert in, which is awesome if you're into that type of thing like I am. So come on out and explore it.